1,600 plus.
Victory.
First of all, I would like to thank the people of Panjim for showing trust and faith in me. Second, I would like to thank the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, the MLAs, the President, above all the President, Mr. Girish Chodankar, and all the other MLAs and the workers who worked tirelessly for my victory. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Jennifer Monserrat, because she was the main thing where I could not campaign, the areas some which I could not cover. So she has made left a really mark in those walks. So anyhow, it has clearly shown it is negativity never pays, And the most important, it shows because these people said that Panjim is not safe for women. I think Talegaon was safe for women for the past 17 years. And they have clearly showed that Panjim is safe for women with me.
After 25 years, you are the person
to defeat
BJP seat here. So what is your comment
and
on this?
I tend to keep it for another 25 years for BJP.
What do you think that what went in your favor?
What the factors?
Factors?
See, my thing was what I went on my development plan. I went on my manifesto vision for Panjim. They were only negativity. You just tell me show me one instance where they said they could not basically challenge whatever I said. It was very clear. They could not challenge. Plus, when the Congress Girish made allegations as far as the smart cities is concerned, those allegations they could not basically count. These are the factors. People have seen the loot, what has taken place. And most important, I still feel Bai factor plays a role. Now they know what is the importance of Bai in Panjim. Don't worry. When I said I will take it out,
You put everything together. It's not possible.
No, I will take it out. Okay.
Casino will go.
Casinos will go from the river Mandovi.
Yes.
That is my promise.
What will be your priority?
Priority, I have got my vision document. So according to my vision document, it is all the people of, we have compiled it by all, taking all the views of all the people of Panjim, around 5,000 odd we have got reviews. So taking that into consideration, we have prepared the vision document.
Babush,
so, from tomorrow we start to work.
At the center, I think the NDA government is
I
being
don't
formed.
don't even ask me.